वाओ आशीष जी, ये मेरा पोर्टफोलियो है, आई कांट बिलीव इट, ये इतना बढ़ गया।
They are very honest people.
Very simple and trustworthy.
Super approachable, yeah.
Consistent with us.
Because the trust is so much that everything has been talked about, everything has been automated and it's happening.
My future is very secure and especially in those hands.
ये वीडियो बना क्यों रहे हैं अपन?
I could not have ever imagined starting back in 2004 that I'll be shooting this video on my 20th anniversary. It's actually, dream for me. Really, we were struggling with finance and we had to do something.
We used to sit in office which is in the ground floor and it was a rented office.
Basically, we started with no clients. My first client was Das Aunty. मैं उनके PG में रहता था दिल्ली में. Today, we have catered to over 8,500 families all across the globe.
Now we are a team of 50 plus people.
That time I was 24 years of age and today I'm 44. Yeah.
Before joining this organization, I was delivering couriers. I am sales head for the organization.
I met with Saurabh.
Saurabh ji was the one who took me forward.
And later Shweta joined us.
So my team is my
फैमिली
family.
की तरह काम करते हैं. I get a very good support from each and everyone.
They started as peon or back office members and now with the discipline and the stability, they are very senior relationship manager or the salesperson in our company.
So they've always given me that freedom. Take the ownership of this company. You should work what is best for the client's interest.
जो लोगों से मैं day one पे बात कर रहा हूँ वो मेरे साथ अभी भी बात कर रहे हैं.
I'll complete 20 years.
Last 15 years.
अगर कोई 15 साल 10 साल किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को दे रहा है तो शायद कुछ तो बात है इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में.
Everyone here works very hard. Every day you are learning a new thing.
यहाँ पर एजुकेशन पे बहुत फोकस किया जाता है कि लोगों को बढ़ाया जाता है. जब तक आप उस काम को सीख नहीं जाते वो फोकस कंटिन्यू किया जाता है. सब लोग अगर ग्रो करेंगे साथ में तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ज़्यादा अच्छे से ग्रो करेगी.
Even my family members has a portfolio with SLA.
Mr. Kesar Lal. During the session, he came distributing tea. And next day, he came to our office and he said, Ashish ji, I want to start investing 250 rupees a month. So we value those 250 rupee client as much as we value the 250 crore guy also. One of our client, we started with 10-15,000 rupees back in 2007. Recently, his portfolio was 8.5 crores and he was totally zapped.
Then we started with just a 500 rupees SIP, 25,000 to 50,000.
Starting with very small investments. And when you see these investments grow multifold, that is your incentive.
Irony is that कि लोगों को पैसा कमाना तो सिखाया जाता है, पैसा बचाना नहीं.
I had nothing as such in terms of my financials, in terms of my planning.
मतलब आपको कुछ ना कुछ करने का मन करता है पर आशीष से नो विथ इन्वेस्टमेंट डोंट टच.
आप अपनी ज़रूरतों पे फोकस करो.
Because हमारे wants बढ़ जाते हैं.
इसको एक बार स्विच ऑफ कर दो, इसको सेल कर दूं, नया इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दूं.
5-10 लाख इधर उधर कर ली, वो मैनेजमेंट तो नहीं हुआ.
But the best part of the Ashish is he keep on restricting. No, it's a boring subject, but you have to be with that.
So if money is handled well, it's great. But if not handled well, it can be a nightmare.
पैसे में इमोशनल का रोल ज़्यादा होता है.
And they told me about how the investments are done.
Ensure that they are spending less.
Once I have money, I'll buy this, I'll buy that.
आपको अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में भी सोचना. You can't work till your last breath.
I think that concept of YOLO, no. You live once, but then you have to balance that living with your savings.
You should have money at your retirement.
Because अगर आप finance नहीं जानते, so you may be earning very good, but then you will never retire wealthy.
If you have saved in your initial years of life, it all boils down to that.
Feeling more confident about my future security.
I am sorted for life, basically. That financial freedom.
I think that is what is retirement really. No binding about anything.
जब मैं 12 साल की थी और तब से मैं सेविंग कर रही हूँ.
He said, why should I save? Then I sat with him and discussed. Today, both his daughters are well educated.
Sponsored the green cards for all the 3 children.
I'm going for a long-term vision.
I don't have to look at the right side of the menu card when I'm ordering. I open my locker, I put my hand in, take out the money and do what I want to.
Ashish ji, thank you so much for helping me save during those COVID time.
वेरी गुड एटमॉस्फेयर है एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो माई ड्यूटी कि मैं उस एटमॉस्फेयर को कंटिन्यू करूँ जहाँ लोग आए, काम करें साथ मिलकर और इन्जॉय करें.
I am energetic on Mondays?
You know, for us, Monday is like, wow, Monday ko office jana hai. We work here for a mission, we work here for a vision. It is about you, with you.
I have never invited any of my friends. I never asked them to join.
They're not here to sell anything.
Come to us only when you trust us.
They're basically building up a wealth for us.
The fact that we are with them for last 20 years plus, I think we don't need to be saying it in words as much.
Even my children, I have advised them and connected them to SLA.
कि शायद हम उसकी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को भी संभालें.
We are not going to be transactional. We are there for generations and we stand with our clients.
इंडिया में इन्वेस्टर की सुनामी आने वाली.
At the rate which we haven't seen in decades.
They need someone who can give right guidance. And SLA already plan कर चुका है अगले 20 साल में क्या करना है. SLA is ready to serve the nation. And मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ उसी legacy को आगे लेकर जाऊँ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में.
I'm excited, feel very young. I'm like, yeah, as if I just started, you know, SLA. I'm just back in 2004.
मुझे खुद का अपना ड्रीम बेडरूम चाहिए.
Still not that late to start your investments.
Start saving.